Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you NinjaTrader on Mac. Choose virtualization software like VMware Fusion 13, free for personal use or Parallels Desktop, paid optimized for M1, M2 Mac. Download and install your selected software from the official website. Then, set up a virtual machine and install Windows 11 ARM for Apple Silicon Macs M1, M2. Allocate at least 8 GB of RAM and 60 GB of storage to the virtual machine for optimal performance. Now, visit the NinjaTrader website and download the latest version of NinjaTrader 8. Next, run the download installer within the Windows virtual machine and follow the on-screen instructions. Launch NinjaTrader and set up your trading environment, including data feeds and Brokerage connections. Adjust settings for performance and usability, such as disabling unnecessary sharing between Mac OS and Windows. Start using NinjaTrader on your Mac, leveraging its full capabilities for trading and analysis. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.